Insurance Office of America announces appointment of Cole Hupka to managing partner. Longwood FLA November 2, 2023. Insurance Office of America IOA is pleased to announce the appointment of Cole Hupka to the role of managing partner. Cole joined IOA Insurance Office of America in 2007, and his new role will help lead IOA's Insurance Office of America's Jupiter branch in the South Florida region. Cole has been a leader and trusted advisor at IOA International Insurance Office of America for some time, and his impressive growth is the fuel behind this new appointment, said Davis Division President Danny Anderson. We are excited for him to step into this leadership position as he supports the exciting strategic objectives of the organization. For over 16 years, Cole has focused on commercial insurance and risk management solutions for his regional and national clients. He specializes in the agriculture and agribusiness industries, where he has become a subject matter expert and serves as a leader in IOA's Insurance Office of America. Food and agribusiness practice. Cole also work with clients in construction and commercial property related industries. I am honored to take on this new role as I continue to work alongside a talented teamwork of people who understand the importance of company culture and client relationship, said Cole. I feel grateful to work for a company that shares my values professionally and personally. I am excited for our continued growth together. Cole holds the commercial insurance consultant CIC and agribusiness and from insurance specialist AFIC designation. He earned his Bachelor of Art degree in communication from Vermont University. Insurance Office of America IOA is the fourth largest privately held insurance brokerage in the United States. Founded in 1988, IOA International Office of America is a recognized leadership in providing property and casualty, employee benefits, and personal lines insurance and risk management solution, as well as insurtech innovations. Headquartered in Longwood, Florida, part of the Greater Orlando community, IOA Insurance Office of America has more than 1,300